with Urban Fitness Twin Cities, and Addie and I are here today to show you one of our absolute favorite shoulder openers. It's a nice relaxing stretch for stretching out your chest and your shoulders and really opening up the whole front of your body. All you need for this is a long foam roller, not a short one, because you need to fit your whole body on it, so a nice long one. So Addie, if I could have you lie on this foam roller. Okay. And there are a couple different ways you can get on this. Just be careful so you don't roll off. That's the most important part. But you want your tailbone all the way to the top of your head to fit on the foam roller. Good. Keep your feet flat on the floor, knees bent for stability. And then you want to pull your abs in and press your whole back into the mat so that you're not splayed out in your ribs, by keeping your back nice and safe by keeping your core in. And then all you're going to do is you're going to open your arms to the side. And how high they go, palms up is great, is kind of up to your shoulder mobility. So they might kind of start low, just below your shoulders, and then as you get more flexible, you can work them up. Or if you're more flexible, they might already even start above your shoulders. Just depends on your personal flexibility level. Yes, perfect. Very nice, Addie. And you want to be where you're comfortable, so you do want to go to where your hands will touch the ground so you can relax into the position. Most important thing is to breathe, because breathing will allow your muscles to relax. If you hold your breath because you're in pain, because your shoulders are tight, it won't do you any good. So make sure that you're taking nice deep breaths. Hold it for 30 seconds or longer if you can. This one is such a nice one. Sometimes I like to stay in it 2, 3, 5 minutes just so I can really relax and feel those shoulders open up. Any questions, Addie?
No, this is great.
All right, well, while Addie continues to hang out, we will say farewell. And if you have any questions, please let us know.